Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Matic from Bitrue to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for better yields or just diversifying your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Matic, also known as Polygon, is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it between exchanges like Bitrue and Kraken is easier than you might think. But remember, always double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Matic holdings. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw button next to your Matic balance. This will open up a form where you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Now, for the key part, you'll need your Kraken wallet address. Log into your Kraken account, go to the Funding or Deposit section, and copy the Matic address. It's crucial to double-check that it's the correct network. Polygon is typically on the ERC20 or native Polygon network, so ensure it matches to prevent any lost funds. Back on Bitrue, paste that address into the withdrawal form, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and review the network fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Before you hit Confirm, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security. Once everything looks good, submit the withdrawal request. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Kraken and check your account to confirm the Matic has arrived. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have support teams ready to help. And there you have it. That's how you safely withdraw Matic from Bitrue to Kraken. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.